Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, has created this new entity called ARTPark, which stands for AI and Robotics Technology Park. ARTPark has been created to foster innovations leading to creation of new products and technologies in the areas involving AI, robotics, and advanced communications. So one of the approaches we are taking to foster such innovations is to have mission mode projects, which involves a number of startups coming together to execute a specific mission which demonstrates certain advanced technology capabilities to solve some specific problems. So one such mission is built around private 5G technology, and we have a number of startups involved in this particular mission, and this particular mission involves using private 5G and stitching it with multi-robots, multi-drone systems to deliver solutions for businesses like agriculture, surveillance, monitoring, etc. And Neural Networks is one of the startups which is part of the ARTPark ecosystem, and we are very happy to have them as one of the key contributors and innovators as part of this mission project. Neural, along with some of the other startups, are working together to develop innovative solutions and showcase the power of how 5G, especially private 5G, can bring in new values to a diverse set of applications, including mining, agriculture, surveillance, etc. Neural has provided us with their capabilities of their Neural OS, their 5G core, and the IMS system. And in addition, what they are getting benefit from us is the opportunity to work on new technologies and new capabilities, which is essentially a win-win for both Neural and ARTPark. And in addition to ARTPark, all the other participating startups. So this is a new model we have started from IISc and Bangalore, probably even in India, where we are really bringing together a number of startups to work together in a very collaborative way. And incidentally, besides these startups, we also have some bigger companies who are also supporting in various ways, like Qualcomm and Intel and so on, in these kinds of initiatives. So we really hope that this will set an example, and we are expecting Neural and all the other startups to do very well as things go forward.